Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we are diving into the Thermomix TM31, specifically tackling the dreaded error 32, which often points to a damaged power supply. This problem can be frustrating, but with the right tools and guidance, you can resolve it. Tools needed *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Multimeter. 4. Soft cloth for cleaning. 5. Vacuum with a brush attachment. Step 1. Safety first. Always unplug your Thermomix before starting any repair. This is crucial to ensure your safety while handling electrical components. Step 2. Accessing the internal components. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to reveal the internal components. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home to assist you. Step 3. Inspecting the power supply. Look for any visible signs of damage on the power supply board. Check for burnt components or loose connections. Using a multimeter, test the voltage output from the power supply to ensure it's functioning correctly. If you find any issues, this may be the cause of error 32. Step 4. Cleaning the interior. Dust and debris can cause poor connections, so it's essential to clean the interior. Use a soft cloth to wipe down surfaces, and a vacuum with a brush attachment to remove any built-up dust. This step can prevent future errors and improve the overall performance of your appliance. Step 5. Reassembling the Thermomix. Once you've inspected and cleaned the components, it's time to put everything back together. Replace the base of the Thermomix, ensuring all the components fit snugly. Use the Phillips screwdriver to reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Step 6. Testing the appliance. Plug in your Thermomix and turn it on to see if the error persists. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations on your successful repair. What if the problem persists? If you still encounter error 32, it may be best to consult a professional. We offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get an accurate assessment of the problem. Remember, you can get a quote before repair, so you know what to expect. Conclusion. Fixing error 32 on a Thermomix TM31 can seem daunting, but with these steps, you can tackle the issue effectively. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if needed, as we provide services that include no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get your appliance back in working order. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.